Testing ulit is doon papasok yung vouching and tracing. So, let's say, this is financial statements. Okay, then down here is source documents. Very good. So, dito papasok yung vendor invoices, sales order, purchase order, okay, lahat ng possible sources mo ng documents. Bill of lading. Then now, paano natin ginagawa ang vouching? So, from financial statements going to source documents. Okay? So, we are checking occurrence, existence, overstatement of assets, and revenues or income. Okay? Then, kung tracing naman ang ginagawa mo, dito papasok yung completeness. Chine-check mo kung ang transactions are complete. Dito papasok yung understatement ng liabilities and expenses. Yes, understatement of liabilities and expenses. So, nag-i-start ka naman from the source documents going to financial statements. Okay? So, yan yung vouching and tracing. So, I hope hindi kayo malilito pagka nasa multiple choice questions yan. Okay? Now, ang i-discuss ko naman is about the test of controls. Sabi natin kanina,